welcome to the function. So nice. What is a function? A function allows us to map x values to their corresponding y values, which we call their images. How do we find the images? Simple. Whatever x is, we replace it in the function given. So if x is 0, we replace x with 0. So here we have 4 examples, and I want to show you how to find their images. So when x is 0, put in 0 in here. 0 plus 1 is 1. When x is 1, put 1 in here. 1 plus 1 is 2. When x is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. When x is 3x, right, this one's slightly more challenging. You put your 3x here, put your 3x here. 3x plus 1 is 3x plus 1. That's it. Hi, that's the way. Now we look at something called composite functions. So before we go into composite functions, let's look at the 2 examples of functions that we have. We have a function here that gives us the number of doubles. So we go into our favorite doubles vendor who gives us an extra doubles every time we go, and he charges us only $5 for doubles. So what would happen now if we go to the doubles guy and say we want 2 doubles? We will end up with 2 plus 1, which is 3 doubles. Now if we ask him what's the cost of that 3 doubles, he will tell us 5 by 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 5 is $10. Now we could do this using something called a composite function, where we combine both functions. So for example, if I want us to find g of f of 2, all I need to do is to take the result from f of 2 and put it into g. So what's the result of f of 2? Well, I need to find f of 2. 2 plus 1, that'll give me 3. Now, what is g of 3? Put 3 in here, that'll be 5 by 3 minus 1, which is 10. Same result, and we get to see what a composite function looks like. So in this episode, we want to take a look at how to find the inverse. The inverse is basically going in reverse, taking the images and getting back the original x values. So these are the 4 steps that we have to take. Number 1, let y equal to f of x. Number 2, interchange x and y. Number 3, solve for y. And number 4, let y equal to the inverse of x. Here we have our example from the doubles guide. Let's see if we can do the reverse. Take the amount of money and find how much doubles we actually have. So how do we find the inverse here? Well, to find the inverse here, we firstly let y equal to f of x. Then we interchange x and y. And now we're going to solve for y. So I'll divide both sides by 5. So I have x on 5 is equal to y minus 1. Then I'm going to add 1 on both sides. This will cancel. I'll get y is equal to x on 5 plus 1. And now we have the last step, f inverse x is equal to x on 5 plus 1. So $10 on 5 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So we got 3 doubles.
Thank you. Look out for the next episode.